Karakoram Large, last of 7 for this $48,000 pot in the game. And they're off. Dynamic Industries missed it. Cush out to a smart start for John Jacinto. Cush leads them early on. Here's pace pressure, though, from Chatting Bandit, who's sent on through by E.J. Paradin. And Chatting Bandit just faster than Cush. And John Jacinto has the favorite, tracking Chatting Bandit. Karakoram Large, in the meantime, has grabbed third. Cat's Court is fourth. Corey's Red Boy, My Friend Told. And a poor start has left Dynamic Industries back there in last. The opening quarter, 21-4. Chatting Bandit paving the path into the far turn, and Cush is close in tow. Chatting Bandit just the leader. Cush poised to challenge. The outside, Karakoram Large hovering close by 3 deep and is now being ridden to challenge. Cat's Court, My Friend Told, Dynamic Industries, and Corey's Red Boy last to make the top of the stretch. Half mile, 45 seconds flat, under a quarter to run. Cush up to take the lead from Chatting Bandit now deep in the final furlong and a half. Karakoram Large drives on the outside. Cat's Court, My Friend Told, Dynamic Industries, Corey's Red Boy. Past the 16th pole. Cush kept to the task. Karakoram Large running hard as the winning line looms. It's Cush shifting out, and Karakoram Large was forced to the inside. Cush has won it from Karakoram Large.